So are you having trouble adjusting the pulse width modulation out of LightBurn for your laser? Well, I've got a simple solution for you. What am I talking about? Well, stick with me. We're going to jump into it in this quick edition of LightBurn tutorials. Let's go. Welcome to this episode of DIY3DTech.com. In this episode, if you have a GRBL-based laser, one of the things you want to double check is that your S settings match that of GRBL itself. So one of the things, I'm here in LightBurn right now, I've got my GRBL settings pulled up. I'm in the console panel over here in GRBL, and as you can see, $30 equals 1000. So this basically means my S command of S equals 1000, which is full intensity, is the currently configured setting. Now, one of the problems is LightBurn doesn't interpret this directly, so you have to explain to LightBurn that you want it to match this number. And the way you do that is you go up here to Edit. From Edit, you go down here to Device Settings. And in the corner of Device Settings down here, you will notice that S value maximum is only 255. So what you need to do is change that to match $30, press enter, and boom, Bob's your uncle. So now what happens is LightBurn now understands that $30 is 1000, and so your intensity will operate correctly. So this is one of the things you need to do for all the lasers that you use with LightBurn, is ensure that your intensity settings match when using GRBL. So hopefully you found it interesting and useful. If you've been butting your head against the wall because of a problem with pulse width modulation and getting the right intensities, this is more than likely the solution to your problem. So hopefully if you enjoyed it, if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Swag Shop's in the corner, subscribe is over there, and we'll catch you in the next video where we talk about something else cool. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the